Okay, the hatred.
I think so, because Bashir Jaffa didn't do anything wrong, and then maybe he can't be controlled. I think Bashir Jaffa won million as well.
Exactly, he can't be controlled.
So when you work with sincerity of purpose, I don't think anybody can push you around because you know your purpose and you know what is right. So somebody not actually deviates again from you stay your course, and I think that's what the problem is, because I don't see any issue anywhere or any problem.
Okay, can you hear what the relationship between Mazi Jaffa and IPOB?
I think from the wings, and Mazi Jaffa by himself would go and free people from incarceration.
That's IPOB members.
Yes.
Wow.
And he was doing that before he even came into IPOB, because it's one of the things he told my dad. So my dad didn't meet here. Yes, my dad, and he's been then he released from.
Wow.
Yes, then he released.
Wow.
Yes.
Without celebrating it. Silently. Oh my goodness.
You know, so Chineke, my dad, that's the person we need. Person with good heart.
Really, it will go already.
At all costs. So when it comes to do with lawyers and everything, IPOB is everything comes from IPOB.
Wow. Okay.
So that is that's how.
Okay, now the relationship after Potazi, did it get better? Did his brothers who effort so if I knew Joffo? When we gonna say turning here, eventually only had the quite good to thank God that my no attack did there was there a time had that show that kind of remorse and then acceptance?
Things actually got worse. In fact, not an baby, man, even a stranger. So I have to say this because I'm watching Kitty sometimes. You know, the baby, I'm name. When Onyent was released and I went home, so there was this thing I don't know who that I will now with DOS and I got poison them. Now I will poison them. I'm getting them Mazi Nnamdi Kanu'S. So I never packaged with my mother-in-law. So you did this stationed. So you did this stationed in the kitchen and I put my butter. So it was one boy but one needing stand rice outside. Yeah, I was working with DOS, and so even though that the DOS then that time Mazi had no problem with them, but that problem also stemmed from Mazi Jaffa coming in.
But it's a Jaffa?
Yes.
Okay.
So they supported Mazi Jaffa to take over the case because Obeta was not delivering. Okay.
Wow.
That was what happened.
Wow.
So, and that was where the name Delilah came from. So I'm with Delilah name saved from Samson. So
because now Hamakwana as his wife, not just his wife, naturally me. Emma Nali won't care why gamubre when that fear of but I'm why the very high delegate to him. I mean, they should know that this a family is being formed. So even at that, I treat it as an outsider. Now, was it born out of love for Mazi Nnamdi Kanu'S or hatred? Because I'm seeing jealousy here. Because if you ask me, I got me when let's say I'm feeling when I get defend one name and what I think eventually what a lawyer also I didn't have one name of Potter. Now when the man of Potter they defend their gallantly one. This lawyer men are free of charge, and yet so mobile too. One expect that all not out of love. Can I make a I feel the competent. Now you question embrace Onion car what I did now, all not out of love.
Absolutely. That is what he would do because he got that now only interest on your heart, so none about our bambo bow from up to now. No. That didn't happen. In fact, Ihom Madananya, Ihonani will bring out Dabara, Munia, Baromia.
Exactly.
You win so. Onya Honoganaya, then our chamber, two she drills in all of it. So, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu'S Munia Dime, is you that passing our may he need now. And near me, Mother Nature just said, Mother Hoganana, or the name me, he Umogi. Or make sure I do. Come back at how a bit ndanda. Everyone Mama Jana Simon Epa, which you did very good job. Because our first time on your video, you've been a new good at now. Now, why if you been able them matter buy? No, Simon Epa now, boys, ya had a giddy here. I have egg me and I read one man again a minute and come with the video. So, I'm gonna radio a few times when I had Mazi Nnamdi Kanu'S. Again, a bunde boon. It's already in with that mono. Nke unu abụ ndị Igbo iwerete ndị Igbo na-egbu sị nna mba no wo Mazi Nnamdi Kanu'S ka na-arụ ị ga-esepụ aka from here and you're not a part, you won't remember if IPOB because I'm gonna read you a few times school fees and akwụrụ na became that comes from nne ya anya, okay, and the upkeep by was stopped by Kingsley. So man ajụ
by calendar.
So m na-ajụ ihu Nnamdi n'anya ihe a ka ị ga-eme nwa
Ọ nọkwara nga.
Ọ nọ na nga.
Wow.
Okay. So I don't think that there is love here. That's all I can say.
Now,